What's up, everybody? Today we're going to create a web wallet. To do that, we need to go to this URL. I will leave this at the bottom of this video. So clone or download. So first, let's do the clone. Well, that means open up a terminal, hit git clone, paste in that URL, and it will download. Now, developers use this method. If you're a non-developer, you have no idea what terminal is, just go ahead and download the zip. Easy as that. Download it, save it to your downloads, save, voila. Okay, we're going to open that up. We're going to open that web wallet we just downloaded. For you guys who download the zip, unzip it, and then you'll find this index.html. That's the meat of this. So we want to open that up. It's going to open up in a browser. Now we'll see nebulous, create new wallet. Enter a password. Okay, let's enter a 9-digit password or more. And this is important. Don't use an easy password if you plan on really using this web wallet. For this demonstration, I used a simple password, but you want a really good password to keep your things safe, keep your money safe. Go ahead and create new wallet. Save your key store file. Download key store file. Save it someplace good. Don't save it in your Dropbox or anything like that. Save it directly on your hard drive. It'll be safer that way. Save. Once it's saved, you just created a wallet. It's that simple. I'll teach you how to use that wallet in the next tutorial. See you then.